The CountStar Yeast is an automated cell counter for analysing yeast samples. It gives users a variety of information such as total, live and dead cell concentration in cells per mil, along with percent mortality, cell size distribution and aggregation within a sample. It's been shown to be more reliable than manual cell counting techniques with smaller deviation and takes under 20 seconds to analyse a sample, thus making it less labour intensive. The CountStar uses classic cell stains such as methylene blue or methylene violet to assess viability of yeast populations. Live cells appear colourless, whereas dead cells take up the stain. The digital image technology can pick up on this to produce a percent mortality of the sample in a matter of seconds. Methylene blue and methylene violet are much safer to work with than some of the fluorescent dyes used by other automated cell counters. Let's take a closer look at the system. It includes the main instrument, a power supply, a USB lead to connect to the computer, the CountStar Yeast software, and the CountStar slides. The CountStar Yeast uses specialised disposable slides with 5 chambers, in which the stain samples are placed for analysis. Having 5 chambers means you can use one slide to analyse 5 samples. The CountStar Yeast has a power indicator on the front of the instrument, which lights up when the instrument is switched on. The CountStar slide is placed into the slide port. The slide can be easily manoeuvred using a slide feeder wheel on the right hand side of the instrument. You can also see 5 LED lights on the front of the instrument, each representing one of the 5 chambers in the slide. The LED corresponding to the appropriate chamber in the slide lights up when in view of the camera. For analysis, all the user needs to do is dilute the sample, stain it using the appropriate stain, pipette 20 microliters of the sample into one chamber of the CountStar slide, insert the slide into the slide port, and press start in the software. In less than 20 seconds, the CountStar analyses the sample for a variety of parameters. The software is very easy to use. It is intuitive and automatically saves data, including images, for future reference. For more information on the setting up of the CountStar Yeast, analysis of samples, and extra features, please refer to the appropriate Aber training videos.